Have you ever felt lonely even when you're surrounded by people? You're not alone. Many of us have tons of connections, but no real friends. In this video, I'm not going to give you generic advice like just be kind and smile. Instead, we're going deep into the science of human connection. You're going to learn how to build a circle of friends who fuel your growth, not your exhaustion. Part 1. Why meaningful connections are rare. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easier than ever to meet people. But here's the paradox. We've never felt more disconnected. According to Dunbar number theory, the human brain can only maintain stable relationships with about 150 people. But within that, only 5 people are deeply close. The result? Emotional loneliness. Lots of contact, little connection. Part 2. Who should be in your inner circle? So how do you know who deserves a spot in your inner circle? Psychology says look for 3 core traits in high-quality friends. High empathy. People who truly get you, not just nod along. Growth mindset. Friends who are committed to evolving and support your growth too. Shared core values. You don't have to agree on everything, but your deeper values should align. Bonus insight from neuroscience. Your brain contains mirror neurons, which literally sync your emotional state with the people closest to you. Their energy becomes your energy. Part 3. How to go from surface level to deep connection. You can't fake a deep friendship. It has to build over time. There's a model in psychology called the self-disclosure ladder. Level 1. Small talk, weather, hobbies. Level 2. Personal stories. Level 3. Emotional vulnerability, what you usually hide. Simple rule. Share 1 layer deeper in every meaningful interaction. Not too much, not too little, just enough to invite connection. Part 4. The power of weak ties. Sociologist Mark Granovetter discovered something surprising. Weak ties, like distant acquaintances or co-workers, often lead to the biggest life opportunities. Think about it. Your next job, project, or idea probably won't come from your best friend. It might come from that one guy you talked to twice at a meetup. Strategy: don't just invest in close friends. Nurture your wider network with kindness and curiosity. Part 5. How to cut off toxic people. If you want a high-quality circle, you need to protect it. In psychology, this process is called cord cutting, a healthy emotional detachment from harmful people. Toxic friends often always play the victim, downplay your wins, make hurtful jokes over and over, only call when they need something. Solution: gradual distancing, not sudden conflict. Silence with intention. Replace slowly with better connections. Part 6. Where to find high-quality people. Great people are out there. You just need to be where they are. Try this. Join personal development workshops, book clubs or discussion groups, online spaces like Discord, Goodreads, or Meetup. Even YouTube comment sections if you engage smartly. Pro tip: become the kind person you want to attract. Growth-minded people gravitate toward other growth-minded people. If you want to build a circle that lifts you up, not drags you down, remember 3 things. Know who's worth keeping. Learn how to deepen connection. And most importantly, be someone others are proud to call a friend. Final question. Have you ever had someone in your life who made you better just by being around? Share your story in the comments. Let's learn from each other. And if you're looking to grow and attract the right people, this channel is here for you. Please subscribe to the channel